Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamline Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. And today we're talking to Clio users. Today, Clio made it even easier for you to get paid. And so I want to show you the new feature that they've put out. So let's go ahead and jump in. So here we've got our Clio screen, and the new tab that they've put into Clio is located in the Bills section. So if we click on Bills here, we'll see a list of all of our bills just as we did before. But now we have a new tab called Outstanding Balances. And before this tab existed, if you wanted to go ahead and follow up with your clients to try and get payment on these bills, you'd have to go through and find all of their bills individually listed, add them up, and then if you wanted to share a copy, you'd have to send them one by one to your client. But no longer. Now, if we click on the Outstanding Balances tab, we're going to see everybody that has an outstanding balance with our firm. And the balance is going to include all of the invoices that they have outstanding. Now, keep in mind, this does not include trust requests, just invoices that we've sent. So here we have the total amount, and we can sort it by client if we'd like, or when we last shared the outstanding balance notice, which I'm going to show you in a minute, or when they last made a payment. We cannot yet sort by balance, but I hear that that's coming in the future. So we can go ahead and use this screen to take a look and figure out who we want to contact to try and get payment. So for example, let's say that I wanted to go ahead and reach out to Melanie, who has an outstanding balance of $600. Then I'm going to go ahead and click. I'm going to see first of all that I just shared this bill with her 38 minutes ago. I don't recommend you follow up with your clients that frequently, but for demonstration purposes. And Melanie last made a payment in August of 2018. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Share here. And if I want, I can go ahead and add someone else to notify as well, or I can add a message. So in this case, I'll say, please pay ASAP. I can preview the email to myself if I want, or I can just go ahead and send it out to my client. So I'm going to go ahead and send it out to the client and show you what that looks like from the client's perspective. So as a client, I'm going to come over here into my inbox, and I'm going to find that email. And you'll see that it comes from our law firm, and it says, or it's branded with our law firm, I should say, and it says, Dear Melanie, please pay ASAP, the message that I put in there, and it lists out all the outstanding invoices and the balances. I can click on this invoice to see a copy of it if I want to see that detail, or I can click on Pay Online Now. And when I do that, I have the option to go ahead and pay the entire amount that's due, or I can go ahead and make a partial payment. Now, if I make a partial payment, the payment's going to be applied to the oldest outstanding invoice first. And so I'll put in my payment, I'll put in my credit card information, I'll review that information, and then I'll go ahead and click on Pay. So hopefully this tab makes it a lot easier for you guys to find the clients that owe you money and be able to follow up with them more consistently, or assign that job to someone in your office. Please do check it out. It makes the process so much easier, and we want to make sure you're getting paid for that hard work. So have a great weekend. Thanks for joining me.